And I know that the opposition leader is continuously, because he's got nothing else to talk about. He's got no policies to talk about. After 14 months as opposition leader, offered nothing except to trying to be mischievous, always trying to talk down the country, always trying to talk down the agencies of government, always trying to talk down the policemen and women who are out there doing the hard work as they do today. Now, in terms of this particular law firm, the matter is now before the courts. As you know, he's taken the matter to court, and I'm very thankful that the courts have restored the powers of the police to carry out the investigation and lay charges if deemed necessary. Now, this government supports that. We set up the task force to investigate these matters. There has been never a time when we have interfered or given instructions to any single policeman. Now, if opposition leader thinks that there is some interference, he has to produce the policeman that we are interfering with. He has to say, Prime Minister gave instructions to this policeman, so that's why he's interfering. You cannot just go out there and say anything you want without trying to provide facts that will justify what you're saying. So I think it is important that we keep these things into perspective, respect the agencies of government, including police and the courts, let them do their job. And I'm pleased to see that despite these challenges, they are continuing to perform well. Now, in terms of the relationship between Interpol and Australian Federal Police, I want to say this. This is highly appreciated. The exchanges are going on quite well as we speak today. Many of the Australian Federal Police Force are not only assisting in this case, but they are assisting in all the other cases. I want to assure you that because of those assistance, there will be further arrests made very soon from the briefings that we are getting. A lot of individuals, not only leaders, but Papua New Guineans, somehow they've got unexplained large sums of cash traveling between their accounts, and these are of interest to our nation. One thing I want to assure you is that we are committed to making sure that we get to the bottom of this. There is no other government in our history has ever put this much effort in it. This government is taking that challenge head on, and we will finish our job. And the people will judge us when we go to the election 2017, whether we have done the right thing or not. Let them be the judge, but allow us to complete the task. Now, what is happening with this case is that there will be arrests made. Nobody's above the law, as I've said. If there are leaders involved, they will be arrested too. So let them do the work, and let's take it on from there.